Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can schedule tasks in the Habitica productivity app. So let us guide you through it. Launch the Habitica app, and after that, here on your home screen, navigate to the type of task you would like to schedule, like for example daily tasks. To do that, head over to dailies here, and you can either create a completely new daily task by tapping on the plus icon here, or if you have already added several daily tasks you would like to repeat on a daily or weekly basis, simply browse through that list here, swipe up and down, and tap into the given task to edit it. For example, that one here, update team on status. So here in the editing window, guys, swipe down till you get to the scheduling, and here set a start date for the given daily task. So if you like to repeat the given task on a daily basis, you may set a start date here. Set the repeats, for example, weekly, or if you'd like to repeat the given task or daily on a daily basis, switch to daily here, or monthly or yearly. And you may also set the days of the week you would like to repeat the given task by simply selecting or unselecting the given day of the week. So let me repeat that task each and every Monday. So let me select M or Monday, and that's basically it. That's how you schedule a task or a daily task in the Habitica app. Don't forget to tap on save in the top right corner to start the scheduling and to begin with the task. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.